this is Christine. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to fold a paper moon and some paper stars. I hope you enjoy! To make the paper stars, you will need some paper star strips. I bought mine online. You can just search that up, or if you don't have any, you can make your own. The measurements are 10 inches by around 1/4 to 2/4 of an inch. You will only need one strip of paper for this craft. Getting your paper strip, you want to tie at the end of the strip. It should look like mine. Don't crease it too hard or else it might be harder to inflate your star at the end. So just pinch it enough that it is folded. Using the shorter end of your paper strip, you want to tuck it into that little flap like so. If it is a little too long, you can always rip it so it can be a smaller length. Using the longer side of the paper strip, you want to allow the paper to lead you. It should fold around the star and form into a pentagon. After you have reached the end of your paper strip, like before, you want to tuck it into the flap. If it is too long, you can always rip it so it is a smaller length. It should look like this. To inflate your paper star, you want to get your pointer finger and your thumb and pinch inwards so that it forms the corner of a paper star. You will do this to all 5 corners. Your final product should look like this. You can always make more stars for your friends and family. So far, I have folded about 1,000 paper stars. To give your paper stars a friend, I'll be teaching you how to make a paper moon next. You will need origami paper. You will first fold a big triangle like so. You will then open it up, then you will fold the sides of the origami paper inwards until it meets the center line. Then on the opposite side, you will do the exact same thing. Get the sides of the paper and fold inwards until it meets the center line. After you have finished, you want to fold that in half and then turn it around so it looks like an upside down triangle. Using the back flap, you will fold upwards like so. Then you will fold the tip downwards and then upwards. For the bottom side, like before, you will fold upwards, then downwards, like so. You will then fold it in half so it looks like a croissant. You will then pull the paper upwards so that the corners meet each other. You will repeat this process for both sides. You will then fold the point of the middle inwards so that it is not pointy. Your moon should then look like this. I fixed the sides of the moon so that it is a little rounder. You do not have to do this part. You have finished making your paper moon and stars. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below. See you next time!